Welcome back to my channel. Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode in Windows 10. So by default, Windows 10 comes with this light mode. Now start our video now. Open your File Explorer, you can see it's in white mode.
Click on your window button and then go to the settings now. Click on Personalization section. Now just go to the colors in this drop down. Click on Custom. Click on Custom. Now click on the dark mode. It's going to turn the taskbar into the DRAC mode. Now choose your default app modes. This is what we want to change. So by default, it's light. So I'm going to just change it to the dark. And once you do that, you will see that Windows here will turn into the dark mode. And also when you open your File Explorer. Now all the files and folders are now in dark mode. Subscribe, like, share, comment.